So I hope we can start. I hope this is working here at the moment. So we are online. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all right. I hope you have a good day today. Yeah. Okay, let's start. You can see we have here the Bitcoin price. I draw here my negative channels. Yeah. And now we have to look to the charts. The charts never lie. Yeah, this is the benefit of this chart. Every book is lying. Every politiker is lying. Yeah, but this chart's not lying. So you know that the Fed meeting is at 13 and 12 June. Yeah, you can see here. So the title was "Will the Fed Kill Bitcoin?" Yeah, I mean kill. With kill, I mean that the price will go really hard to the downside. You can see 30,000. We have here 20,000. And if you draw here another trend line, you will recognize that we have here, ooh, not so nice triangle. I will make this in another color so that you can see this. Let's look. Let's draw this also. Then bling bling. Yeah, you can see triangle gets closer and closer. And let's look here more inside to understand the structure. So, and oh man. One question to you. Why this triangle ends on the day in which the Fed has a shit meeting? Can you explain me this? Yeah, you can see. I ask you a simple question. Please give me the answer. Why this triangle is ending on the day in which the Fed has a shit meeting. Yeah, between here 12 and 13. You can see exactly on this day the meeting, both lines are crossing. Can somebody explain me this? Please write this, explain this, and say to me why these two lines, this triangle gets closer and closer. That means the Bitcoin price will make a hard upside trend or hard downtrend. Yeah, this triangle means this. Yeah, and why this triangle ends on the day in which the Fed has his meeting. Is this not a manipulation? Is somebody there who wants that the triangle ends exactly on this day? Please, people, be not stupid. The charts don't lie. I hope you understand. Yeah, people who look to my um, to my channel, they are very smart. Yeah, they are intelligent. Yeah, they are very intelligent people. Yeah, and if something ends on the day in which the Fed or a big organization has his meeting, then these charts uh, the charts are really manipulated. This is a signs that something is adjusted. Yeah. So let's look here to this. I'm honest to you. I not like this. We are the last live stream was here. I said okay, we will go here and break this, yeah, to upside or down, the upside or downside. But this was not the final move, because you can see the really negative channel is going from here. Normally, this is so that we have to break here out. You can see we test this 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th time. Normally we have to break this, yeah, and we have to go in direction of 38,000. But if you look here to the whole system, then if we break here out, yeah, then the next step is here. That means if we break here out, yeah, then normally we have to go to 46,000. Make this sense that we're going to this level? Yeah, I think no, because we have here also a uptrend, yeah, an uptrend. So the maximum what I see is here at 40,000. But even if we go to this level, the whole formation make no sense. We have here left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, yes. We have this moves, yes. But in my eyes, we have here a good formation, yeah. That is a little hammer here. So after this hammer, uptrend is waiting for us, something like that. So the effect is maybe that we going here to the upside, but due to the manipulation, you can see the price is going sideways, but here in the RSI is going to the upside. So if I draw here in the RSI upside trend, that not means that we will break here out, yeah, and make this. What possible is that we break here down and make then the upside this here manipulated to the downside. This also this is the same like this. So then this structure is fulfilled. We are here in the negative area. Everything is fulfilled. Everything is okay. Let's look here more inside to understand the last structure. And if you look here to the last steps, you can see how far we are away from this point. Look here, 11, 12. If I adjust a little bit, exact the day in which the Fed is talking. So in my eyes, this here is not a good structure. Yeah, I zoom in the 30 minutes chart. So if I look to this, also not a good structure. Yeah? But the benefit of this structure is this is a W pattern. That means you can see we are out of this channel, and I expect here an uptrend. So for me, is here two possibilities. One possibility is the walls. We make this in green. I expect this here. Look, uh, really stretching to these levels, maybe 45, 40, 44, 34 or 35. Yeah, let's look. We have to look what is this red line. So you can see we test this here at 35. We are out of this negative channel, but in the whole system or white negative channel, we are still in the negative channel. Yeah, we break this 1, 2, 3, break here this. Yeah, we are out of this negative channel, but we are in a wider negative channel, so that we are here. So then we have to look what happens here. So if I look to this, is also good. Yeah, so we could get here really, if we can break this, yeah, really uptrend to these levels. But I'm really not here 100% sure because the formation is nearly 90% here. We built here with this structure nearly, I would say 95% is already happened. So the rest, yeah, 5% that we're going from 30,000 to 48,000, the rest of 5%, this is too much. Yeah, so then extreme manipulation should happen that we can say, okay, that we're going here to 48,000. So it makes no sense. So we already finish here 95% of this structure here, and the rest 5% I don't believe in that. What I believe is we will get here last move. Yeah, if you look here, we have a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation, and I think that here makes sense. Yeah, if you look here. And this move is the strongest move to the upside. Yeah, you can see we have to test this 1, 2, 3. So I think um, I'm calculating with an uptrend here. So maybe 34,000, 35,000, here 5,000 plus, here 6, 7, 8% and plus, so that the people believe the Bitcoin price will go here to the upside. In real, the price will break here down. Yeah. So I see really not here positive formations. Let me look here, especially here. Formation is broke. This is normal. And this is the last structure. So I think 35,000 here is possible. Or if they manipulate really hard, then I expect this and then fall to the downside. Let's look to the 1 minute chart. That is interesting. Let me look. I never look here at the 1 minute chart, but in this case, we have to look exactly what happens. That is very interesting. That is very interesting. In my eyes, this is the last step. We make this in blue so that we can look this and make this also in blue so that we can see this in a 1 minute chart. Now you can see which areas I mark here. Okay. Start from here. Okay. This is a sign for us. If you look here, we not break here to the downside. If you look here, this was our negative channel. And we leave here the negative channel to the outside, make a retest. And this is a sign that this here will not go here to the downside. That means for us, we will test here some higher level. What possible is here, let me look. The price could go to 33,000, 34,000. So that what I draw, I think makes sense that we're going here to 33, 34 in these levels. Yeah. Why we going here to the upside? because the walls, they won't manipulate the price to the upside, so that you think, okay, we are go out of this triangle, but then I think we will landing here very hard to the downside because these all formations are negative. So we're looking to the chat so that I answer some question from your side. So I don't know, one subscriber say to me, I don't know why the most people watch the Moon Boy lies they have to watch this channel. Thank you. So Mohammed Fawal say World Bank is manipulating. Yes, I give you right. They manipulate the charts. I don't know the question from a subscriber. He say we're going to 35,000 then dump to 20,000. I don't know if this is happening in the one day, but you can see we are here in the middle of this, yeah, 29,000. You can see we have here 35,000, and you can see we are here also in this areas 25,000. So in both directions, nearly the same. And the crashes, or if something is crash, then the most of the time we are at 50%. Yeah, most of the hard movements is coming if the price is at 50%. So I'm calculating with a downtrend. I never see in this many years that a really uptrend begins if we have higher lows. Yeah, you can see higher low, higher low, higher low. This is a signs of negativity. Yeah, short term, okay, we could test here this level at 35,000, 34,000. Yeah, but in the end of the day, we will landing even harder if we're going higher. So for me, is if the price is going 4,000 to the upside, I get gray hairs. Yeah, so because I don't exactly, if we're going here 5,000 to the upside, then I say to me, oh, yeah, the next is even harder. So great back. Okay. So one subscriber say to me, when can I see my coins that I have give for free? I think if I look to the day, this is for June. I would wait here 1 week that we have some mid of June, then I can make this. Yeah, because if I announce this of a membership Wolf Profit for June, that means everybody has the possibility, if they are Wolf Profit member, to request maybe in the middle of June. Yeah, so it's a little bit early. I would say mid of June I will start. So So one subscriber say, I understand that Bitcoin could be going down, but people are always looked at the past for indicators and don't take into account that more and more people jump on the Bitcoin band, bandwagon and may stop it. No, no. Uh, you are right if we are in a market, yes, but we are not in the market. We are in a manipulation. So this market is manipulated. So even if many people jump to this price, the central banks and the world banks are stronger. They can push the price upside and press the price to the downside. So forget this mindset what you have from the mainstream. The mainstream lying to you. Yeah, forget this. So let's look here. I would say let's let's make here some altcoins. Yeah, please request here want to altcoins, then we can look, yeah. Then we can switch to later to Bitcoin again. I wait. Mr. Z is right, I think. He say as soon as Bitcoin goes down to 28,000, there will be a huge sell-off from miners as well. Maybe, yes, you are right. Uh, I explained this with 35,000 in the last act. Yeah, if you look here, um, I observe that if the Fed announce something, yeah, in the past this was so. After 3, 5, or 7 days, the market crash, yeah, or go to the upside. So I'm calculating with a reaction of the market at the 21, 24, 23 of June. So if I look to this, then it makes sense that the price is going here to the upside. Make here some stupid tests, yeah, like this, yeah, and go from this point here to the downside. Yeah. So then we are at 26, but even if we are at 26, we are not in a strong position because then we're not testing this level, we're testing more sideways. Yeah, and you can see um, due to this action, yeah, here to the upside and sideways movement, the Fed is gaining time, yeah, because they won't stretch this formation. And if we get something like that, this is even worse because I draw this for you. I make this in this, yeah, in this color, make this fat, then you can see what I mean here. Okay, understand? Invest left shoulder, hat on the right shoulder. With this action here, this is the meeting of the Fed. They announce something, yeah, the price is going here to the upside, test this level, but with this effect, yeah, the price is going here to the upside. They could stretch this very wonderful here to this area, testing here, going to this level is 26, stretching from this point to 16,000 end target. Yeah. So we zooming out, make this sense. I would say yes, it makes sense. So let's look. I have these two possibilities in my head. In the other side, the formation is coming to the end, so we could get also a really hard drop to 20,000. Yeah. So in my eyes, this formation is finished. We have to go here to 20,000, but due to the manipulation, the Fed could stretch this to this line, yeah, to the main line here, and then we could here test 1, 2, down to this level, sideways movement, test here, and go finally down. So we make here, I would say the first was Alle yeah. We make Zend. Let's look to Zend. This is one of my favorite. Short term very bad, you know, but long term very good. I observe here that the Z is out of the negative channel. So if you look here, the downtrend or down risk here is a little bit few. Now let's look if the price is going to these levels, then you can see we have the risk that the price could go here to 73. But then this is positive for us because we are out of this channel. and then we could go here to these levels here. Yeah? So I think the strategy of this fat and the big vaults is to win time. Yeah, because due to these formations here, you can see we're going only sideways, and the price is not going here more to the downside. And you can see October, November, December, yeah, and then at the end of the day, we will get here our inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. Yeah. So this is in my head. Yeah, we could get here uptrend, yeah, to these levels, and this uptrend is for preparation of the rising debt what we will see at 2023. Yeah. This is all preparation for the uptrend. So I think I see something like that, yeah, and then higher. So we're looking to Velo. What is this? So is this so let's look to this. Okay, if the project is not that, yeah, because the project is coming from $1.90 to 0.009. Please keep this in your mind. Most of the old coins are shit coins, yeah, and these coins are only in the market to get the money from you, yeah. But if you're asking me the formation here at 2000, at the beginning of 2021, we get here a hard drop at the Bitcoin price. That what you see here, yeah, is our uptrend. This uptrend is manipulated to the downside. So, and that what you see here is only a retest of these levels here. Yeah. Most of you think, okay, we are here in a downtrend. Okay, perfect. I could invest. But I would say at the moment we have not so much, or the time is not so interesting. Yeah, we make this in red. So the time is at the moment not the right time to invest. Yeah, is my view. Even if we get here this structure long term, um, at the moment I would not buy. There is no financial advice, but if you look here, this this blue construct belongs to this here, to this construct here. Let me look here. So the blue line and the a few blue line belongs together. Yeah? And if we start here with a red line, a new formation, then we will get also, let's make this so, yeah, we will get also formations who started. So don't think that after the downtrend the bull market will start here. No, after this a new bear market is starting, and then we're going here again to the downside, and again, and then I think 2025, then we will get here a very wonderful formation. Look here, how beautiful this is. Yeah, and from this, really hard to the upside. So we're looking here to the next. I would say make all interesting, all interesting projects. Let's this Sergey posts here something. We make Terra Luna, yeah. We will look to Terra Luna. We will look also to Koti and Theta. Yeah, Theta, Koti, let's look small to link. Too many requests. Yeah, you can request this in the vault profit. Let's make here first Luna, then we're going to Theta. So let's take this. Let's take the KuCoin chart. So if you are, oh, what has happened here? 10. Okay, I thought they adjust something here. So what happens here? Terra Luna is here at $2. So somebody have to help me. Why? First question. The market responsible persons, are they adjust something, or is this arising from 00 or 15 cent to $24? Can somebody explain this? From chat, not from a chart technical point of view. For me, it's interesting if they or if they adjust here something, yeah, so that we can say, okay, now 00 or 20 cent is the new $24. Now something, okay, that was the hard fork to Luna Classic, okay. Luna Coin is now Luna Classic, like Ethereum. Okay, you mean Luna is out and this is now Luna Classic, yeah? Okay, then I understand. They steal the money from the people and start here a new branch. Yeah, I think the Fed don't want a competition, yeah, between stablecoin and dollar. So I think it can happen that the stablecoins going a little bit to the downside, yeah, and lose here their value. Maybe the attack of the Fed can happen. You have another chart from Luna Classic. So what can I type here? Give me the short name and then I can type and then we're looking to Luna. I wait. Okay, Daniel G. Moonboys say H-bar can make millionaires. What do you think? Okay, we're looking also to H-bar if this has potential to the upside. So I wait. Give me the Luna correct name. Then we can look to Luna and then look to other cryptos. Lunk, okay. We give here Lunk with T. Okay. Terra Classic. Okay. Ah, okay. Now I understand. They name this the old classic. Yeah. They steal the money and they are they are really idiots. Okay. Let's look here to Terra Classic. So from a chart technical point of view, if you look here, we have here a negative trend. Yeah, the Luna Classic is still in the negative trend. So if coming very worse, yeah, if the Bitcoin price is going hard to the downside, then we could here hit the 4,400 levels. Yeah, so I think here this is visible from chart technical point of view. Let me look here more in this 4-hour chart that we understand this. I give no financial advice, but if you want play with Terra Classic, yeah, it's very cheap. If you say, okay, no matter if I lose here $100, then it would make a sense to invest, because you can see we have here this spike, and this is very positive. Yeah, if the project is not dead, then we have this trend. So from 5,000 to 80,000. Yeah, so I think it's like a casino. Yeah, if you want to invest, then I would say yes. Yeah, but no financial advice. We have here clear signs to the upside. Yeah, so not all the money. Yeah, but maybe $50 or $100 makes sense. Yeah, to look. So we're looking here to what was this? To let me look. Yes, Theta was. So we're looking to Theta. Also, um, let me look. We have here the negative channel. I have not a good feeling. Yeah, even if the price is going here to the upside. Look, we have here our support, and this is a resistance. So even if the wall's lying to you and the price is going to $2, okay? So what effect has this? Yeah. Then the next trend is if the prices they win here they win here time, yeah. So you can see, look to the day and time, June. You can see it stretching, 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 and then finally go here to the downside, yeah. So I would not, if the price is going to $2, I would not speculate that we break here this structure to the upside, yeah. Here we have another negative channel. This is here. So even look, even if we break this negative channel, we have another negative channel here at $2. So maybe short term uh, makes sense that we going here to the upside, but here at August, September, then the price will go even harder to the downside. So I'm not trusting these formations. This year is also coming to the end, maybe due to the Fed announcement, we will go here 100% to the upside or not. Then I see a sideways movement, or what I predict, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Yeah. If you look here more inside, then you can see we already built our hammer here, and that what you see here is, let's make this in green, that what you see here is a positive trend. So I calculate with a dancing of this um, price levels and then finally fall. Let's look to Cody. Let's look if Coty is already break his negative channel. Okay, look. We have here sides. Do you see this? That means Coty is break his negative trend. And that's the reason why you see here really hard, or if you take the 003 as hard, uh, that's the reason why we see here a positive trend to the upside. But only fake outbreak. That means even if if the wall stretching this to the higher level, at this level is finished here. So I'm not calculating that the price is rising more. I would say between this and this we have a huge resistance. So the price will not go here to the upside. It's only one step more in direction to downside. Now you can see something like that and then go here to the downside. You can see wonderful here. So we're looking here to link. Let's look if we see the same negative trend. For example, here you can see the link is not yet breaking this. Let's look more inside. I would say yes. Yeah, the resistance is breaking at the moment. And that means we could get prices. Let me look in direction of $10. Yeah. Why the vaults make this? Yeah, that you should see that the price breaks here and go here to the upside. Yeah, but in true, we have here not so much energy to go here to the upside. Yeah, if you look here, all resistance. So even if the price is going to $10, the price will go hard to the downside because we have here no resistance or support. Look here. The next is this. If we are go out of this channel, we have a huge resistance here. Next stop is here, and this is now support. Yeah, so I think let me look. We want to the upside and down. Yeah, so it's more correct. Test is 1, 2, 3. The fourth time to break to the downside. Let's look to. So Donata Domina asked me when the live stream start. German time 11:12 night. Yeah. So in this, if I have time, then I would make this. So one subscriber say to me or ask me when the penny stocks video analysis and the Wolf performance analysis are released or come into the channel. I would say let me look to the calendar. I would say this weekend. This weekend, new Wolf performance videos are coming. Also, both penny stocks videos are coming. So we're looking here to. Let me look. We're looking to this. What is this? Okay. No data here. Okay. So we're looking here to the chat. Info. No, it's not there. let's look to link. We are also looking. So one subscriber requests here for Raka. You are a Wolf price target member. Please request your crypto in the Wolf price target. I can make Raka, that's no problem, but you have to request your wish crypto there. Yeah. You have to write to request, yeah, so that you understand. Please request your wish crypto there so that I can analyze this. So we're looking to Raka, then after that we're looking to Ada. Friends, Ada is very hot, but nobody knows this. So same game. This was an ending formation. Yeah. Even if you see nothing here, there's the ending formation, and here and the last step is here, yeah, after this. So let's explain you this exactly. After the green step, the blue step is happening, yeah, here. So after this, the blue step is coming. But you can see what the big banks and the World Bank and the gangsters and the mafia make here. They're making from the blue line, they make this line. So, and now my task is to understand in which levels we are. This is a clear uptrend, but manipulated to the downside. Even if we are here, let's look, even if we are here out of this negative channel, yeah, is this positive? Yes, we are out of this negative channel. We're going sideways, but I expect the last move to the upside. You can see also here we broke here this uptrend. Look, in this small cryptos, you can see the formation better because, um, for example, other 200,000 people look to the chart. Yeah, they are really hard manipulated. Yeah? But these small cryptos are, I would say, also manipulated, but uh, due to some um, formations, we could or we can see this earlier. Yeah, that something is not right. Yeah, for example, this here, this gives us huge information about um, the uptrend. If this uptrend is still valid or not. Here, due to this breaking of this uptrend, we can see clear that something is not okay. Yeah, and can then say to how can I say? If I see this, then I can make a general view to Bitcoin and to the all altcoins. Yeah. So, and I think we have a little bit place to the downside. We are here at 60,000, so I'm calculating with this 50% to the downside, then we are landing at 20,000. So in my eyes, I see something like that, 20,000, and then from here we have a huge left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the price will go short term to these levels. Yeah, but it's not the end target. If you look here, the end of the day, you will see something like that. Yeah, but you can see the negative trend is still valid. We make this in blue and red so that you understand that this year, this fall to the downside is only a retest of these levels here. Yeah. Then you can see we have a triangle and we have to go out of this triangle. You can see we are at August, September. Then we will break this outside and then the next is testing to these levels. So we're looking here to, other. Normally I make not so much altcoins, but I think we can use the 5-10 minutes to make here the altcoins for my subscribers. So I'm here for you. Yeah, the Moon Boys tell you not so much good informations and not so detail or lying to you, but I'm honest and I give you the naked information. If you look here, we are still in a negative trend. What I not like is let me look to other exactly because we have here a little bit more other fans. So I'm honest to you. For me, is this here $1.40 a danger area? Why? You can see the resistance and support area of ADA is this. So from technical point of view, we have here a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and we could easily go to these levels. Yeah, $1.20, $1.18. The problem is if we go to these levels, we have a huge resistance. Yeah, if you look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see we have a really hard uh, possibilities, yeah, to go to the upside. That's the reason why I not think that we have the possibility. Also, we have here resistance. So if we have so much resistance, then I don't think that other will go to $1. Let's look here more inside to this construct. If you look to this here, then you can see that the price to the downside. Yeah, but I would say we have a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. We have here the test 1, 2, 3, the fourth time. Normally we have to break out. Yeah. You can see if we adjust a little bit, then you can see we are break out, yes. But the question here is how far we can go. You can see the next trend is here at 80 cent. So please not blinding by this chart. If you look here, yeah, you can see we can expect here uptrend to 75, but you can see we are coming here on this resistance. So I think something like that can happen, but this is not stable. I expect that the price will go here to the downside and that we are landing on this place. You can see also testing 1, 2, 3. I would say sideways movement, break down, make the retest, and finally go here to the downside. Yes, here. This is the verse. This will happen. You cannot discuss with me. This will happen here. Yeah. So from the timeline, if you look here, if the walls not stretch this out of this negative channel, then this. If they stretch this, if we get here breakout to these levels, if the Fed is stretching, then we are a little bit lucky. Then we are staying on the negative channel here. Yeah. So it is a very interesting and very exclusive area here. Yeah. One move to the upside means the price of Cardano will go to 26 cents. If we're not breaking this negative channel, then you can see we are landing at zero levels. Yeah, let's look what we have here, 001. Correct is the price could not go here to negative. Correct is this. So I hope you understand. But then if the price is going here to the downside to these levels, then we will break this 100% sure. Yeah, that is clear because we have here good side. So I think it is a left shoulder. We need this year. I make this in green that you understand. I expect this year in my eyes is very stable. This formation is more stable than this formation, the blue line. Yeah. So we're looking here to, let's look what we have here. But Donata Damino, no financial advice. Yeah, this is only experience. Thank you. Let me look. Let's look to this. I will make two more, and then we can finish. Then we can look to Bitcoin price. So this here is a good crypto. Why? We form here a really good hammer. This is not the same performance that we will see at the XCP chart, but this here is general positive. And so if you get this to these prices here at 0.005, 0.010 cent, then you are a lucky man because this has long-term positive signs. That means, let's look, we have here the negative channel. So on this border to predict is very difficult. Of course, we could get here uptrend, but the uptrend is not so much. If you look here, you can see resistant, and then the next move is in direction of 0.08 and so on. Yeah, but the benefit of this action here is that we are now out of this negative channel, and then we can build here our structure. Yeah, like this. So I see this. Yeah. But at these levels we have a resistant, so that I think that we will go here sideways movement to build this. Yeah. After that we have enough conditions to break here out and go to these levels. So we're looking here the last two. Yes, Ernie, like button and share the videos so that we can grow, because if the channel is growing, then I can make for you more videos, because I make videos and nobody look to this video. And if the prices drops, then people look 2 months ago and say, okay, you are right, you were right. So for also look to QNT, ADA, and the Luna price, I predict the prices very well. So if you're looking to my videos, then this save your money. Not my money, your money. We already, J. Monroe, we already discussed the theta price. So please look to the live stream at the beginning of the video. Daniel G, please request this in the Wolf Profi if you have more than 3. So let's look. Quant. At the moment, stable. Um, for me, I'm honest to you. In my eyes, this year is the same formation like this. What you see here, you see here red, and what color you will see here, also red. But this red is not so much like this red. This red was very terrible. But we will see here a drop, yeah, because these formations are same, and the lowest price here, what I saw here for QNT was 26. So at 26 we have a good base. But if I look here to more inside, I not like the formation. Yeah, if you look here, we are out of this channel, I think, I hope. Let's look. Or sitting on the channel. Yes, you can see we made here a little bit good things. Let me look. But you can. So if we're looking here to the chart, then we can see, okay, we are break here this negative channel to the outside, but keep in your mind the walls, they want that you also believe that we are out of this channel, yeah. But it can also happen, I saw this in the past, we are out of this negative channel, forming this, and then bam, yeah. So let's wait if this stable. At the moment is not stable. We test this only 2 times. We have to go a little bit to the upside, and this here, this should, if this hold, yeah, then the uptrend is coming. So let's look 2 more, and then if you have questions, general, then you can ask me. We have to not look to the old coins, yeah. Let's look. Let's look. So we have here. Friends, one info for you. If you see something like that, we have here the negative channel. So if I look to this negative channel, then I see 2 possibilities. Yeah, one possibility is the Fed announce something. Yeah, and we are going here out of this triangle and get here really hard breakout, yeah, to 2100. Even if we break to these levels, look here, these are 300 more. But the problem is this huge negative channel. Yeah? And I know that we are testing this not the last time or fourth time or five time or sixth time, that this year will fail. And if this fail, then we're coming to the downside. And you can see we touch this 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth time we break here down. And you can see the free fall of Ethereum here. Look, do you see this? We have here the negative channel. That's not nice. It's not nice. Look here, 2000 to 750. Yeah. Why we get this? Because the negative channel is extreme here. Don't think if the price is going sideways, blind not yourself, yeah, or believe not the walls. They make here a test of this low negative channel and go here sideways. They are in the middle. They can stretch this to these levels here, 1000 to 2160. But in the end of the day, you can see the negative channel is go really hard to the downside. So not wondering yourself if Ethereum is at 500. Maybe they thinking about the attack of to Ethereum to take the price down. Yeah. So please wake up. They lying to you. They manipulating the walls, the banks, the mafia. Yeah. So if you look here from the technical point of view, this is also not good here. You can see we have here testing, and if the price is not going here to the upside, then the next step is this. Look, I want that you understand this exactly what I say to you. The huge negative channel, and now the lying is this here. We are here in a triangle, and you see if we are here break out here, this is a formation to break out. Yeah, this is a triangle. We will break here out. You can see we touching this so much, 1, 2, 3. We will break here out. Yeah, something will happen. So then we breaking here out, and you're looking, wow, Ethereum make here to 2100. But you not see that we have here a really big negative channel, and it's huge here. And if we break this here, this is too weak. We cannot break this. And you can see the only way in which we can go is to the downside here, because we have here weak structure, and the next move to the downside will break. So I made in the Wolf Exclusive Club many cryptos in the Wolf Exclusive Club to get or to tell you the end target in 2025. If you are interested, please write me in Twitter, then I can show you how you can get these videos from my side. I think as investor is every time good or often good to know in which direction the market will go. Yeah, if you invest here at 1,800 and you wait that the price is going here to the upside, price is going to 500, you lose here 50%. So these videos make sense. Yeah, so keep this in your mind to get the memberships, or if I announce something or share with you and say, okay, end target for 2025, then you have here 3 years time to prepare yourself, because the halving of the Bitcoin price is at 2024. So before I don't calculate with our uptrend. So one important question
von GP Fund Tube. Wolf, do you think if the Bitcoin go to 9,000 price, all other coins will fall? Yes, this is the logical step in my head. What if the Bitcoin price drops to the downside, that the altcoins will also go here to the downside. I don't know why the price is staying so much to the upside. I know the reasons. Yeah, we are here in an uptrend, but for me, it's getting this a little bit boring because like a chewing gum, the walls stretch and stretch this over 1 year. Look here, the how can I say, the bull market stops here, and since 1 year we have only sideways movement. Yeah. Uh, don't blind yourself if the price is going to 70,000. This was only a retest. So, and that what you see here is only stretching the formation like a chewing gum. Yeah. After this, I expect here a really hard drop. Yeah, this is coming. And then be forming here. Let's look, we make this here, and then we have here the big negative channel here. So we make this in black that you see. So yeah, we have to go here to the downside, break this, and they want stretching the formation. So they have no interest at the moment to bring the price to the upside. Yeah, here and then 2023 going sideways, make the next step and form here a really big left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation to take the price here 2024-25 to these levels. So I make here two cryptos and then I would finish. Faisal Alday, you can find this below this video, yeah, 1 day later, or if you look to my channel, in every video you have here a description, then you can see what is the link to my Twitter. So two more and then we finish. Thank you back. Let's make here, I don't know what this crypto is. Jack Sparrow, or what you mean here? Pirate. Okay. This you mean, okay? Pirate chain. What is this for exotic crypto? Please, people, don't invest your money in shitcoins. Yeah, many of these projects will not survive. So invest is not financial advice, but invest in really known cryptos like Ada, XRP, Link, Solana. There's no financial advice, but they are really hot cryptos. So let's look here to this. The prices fall from $5 to 60 cent. Generally, we can say this has a positive trend line. That means this crypto has in the bull market chance to go to $16. Yeah, because we have here a positive trend line. That is fact. If the project is not that, then you have a good possibilities that the price could go here to the upside. But the problem here at this is this. We make this in blue. So
And you can see with your own eyes, we break here the structure and make here retest. Even if we go to these levels back, yeah, the price is weak. You can see we start here at May, a sideways movement, and the negative channel is here. So you can see even if we are out of this negative channel, that not means that we will go here to higher prices. No, you can see we will go here sideways movement and go here to the downside. Yeah, but let's look here more inside and decide if we get this or this. So since 11 of May, let me look short to Bitcoin. So we copy this. I have to compare something. This is for me important to understand this. So, okay, now I understand. Okay, 12. So we're coming back. I see here not so much good formation. The reason is if you look here, we have here our uptrend. This uptrend is broke here. Then we coming in the negative channel. This is here. Yeah. We break the negative channel and try to make again an uptrend. Yeah. But the problem, the uptrend is again broke. Yeah. And this is so what I know this formation. Yeah. This is for me no problem to read this like a book. Yeah. But I see here really not good things. Yeah. So if I look here, then I would say that we go the next target in my eyes is 40 cent. Yeah, like that what I draw here, this here, that I see here. Yeah. But the 40 cent is not the end target. I expect that the price is going really hard to the downside in direction of 10 cent. The reason is the Bitcoin price. Yeah. Um, this year was the uptrend. The negative trend is coming. And if you look to the Bitcoin price, we can see this really clear. So we make two and then I finish. Too many requests. Yes, I also agree with them. Don't put your life savings in crypto because this is too danger. Yeah, there are some good possibilities to make really big profit, but in my eyes, this is not. This is a special situation here. That is not the time in which we can say, okay, we now starting to invest crypto. Yeah, so this is the formation is too broke here, and the worlds they don't want that you get millionaire, yeah, or that you earn money.
You are slaves, yeah. You have to work as slave and don't ask something, eat, go to the toilet, yeah, and work. That is your job, yeah. It's not your job to earn money. So the worlds think so, yeah, the big banks and mafia. So I think many of the people are too positive, and the price could go really hard to the downside. They take the cryptos very cheap from you and then let the price to go here to the upside. So we make I would say we make ICP and let's make XAP. Then we finish. So ICP and XAP and then we finish. So ICP, let's look more inside. So I'm honest to you, if the project is not that, yeah, ICP has chances to go here to $200. This is a opportunity, but it's no financial advice. You are no, and the charts are manipulated. So if big walls can or come and say, okay, the project is dead, then you lose all your money. Yeah, so please trust not this. But from technical point of view, we have a huge uptrend to $200. Yeah, but this $200 is not going here directly to the upside. I think until 2025, the price is have to stretch by the walls so that you, as a non-crypto expert, look to the chart and say, okay, the prices are going only sideways, nothing happening. But in truth, the price is going here to the upside. So we're looking here to ICP. Let me look. Same problem. Oh, not good, not good. You can see same problem at the ICP and others. We had a uptrend and we broke the uptrend clear. And that's the point what I said to you in this video. In some cryptos, you can see the behavior, what will happen. In Bitcoin, you cannot see this behavior. Yeah, but saw in this video two cryptos that has the similar formation. They broke here this formation clear or this uptrend clear here. So no matter if the price of Bitcoin goes here to this level or ICP is going to these levels, we are clear breaking this level here. So let's look. So we have to come in these levels back here. Look, this is our uptrend. We have to come back here, make this. Even this is for. Please forgive me the word what I say to you here. Even this here is shit. Yeah, because this you can forget. We have here a negative trend. So even if we get here at this point here, 12 at the Fed meeting, 12, 13 of June are uptrend, or even better, if we're going here to these levels, forget it. This is all negative. Yeah. And let's look to the target to the downside. So you can see we have here negative channel. Even if we are out of this negative channel, you can see that the negative channel, yeah, if we break here out, we have place to go here to $3 $2, or even $1.50. Yeah. But long term, this is very positive. So this not means that the price is staying here. So I expect after falling uptrend like this and go here to the upside. So we can look into XRP. So I think this is the best crypto that you get. Yeah. The reason is many of the XCP holder don't they feel something is big is coming, but in my eyes they have not the or they not know the impact what will happen with this chart. Yeah, I explain this every time and every time. Look here. So the XCP chart or XCP behavior charge his battery here. You can see touch this one time, two, three, four, and that is fact that this year negative channel will not hold. Yeah, we will break here out. So the question is, will the price make this? Yeah, or what will happen here? We have here really good signs. Um, what I think this is all also hot here. Look, yeah, but this is not the right time. I see here really not the reason why we have to go here at July to the upside. So something have to be made from the Fed to manipulate. They look to the chart and say, okay, how we can make the chart a little bit longer that we can break here out. Yeah, let's look here. So we have here negative channel again. We see a little bit uptrend. Uh, let's draw this exactly. We are sitting on this line. Yeah, you can see touch 1, 2, 3. I'm honest to you. This is a classic inverse W pattern. Classic. Yeah. If I see something like that, I run. Yeah, I not stop. Yeah, this is for me one of the worst formation. So something big is coming to the downside. So the last shakeout can happen here so that we could fall here to 20 cent here. And that is the original prediction what I made to you. And after that, then is interesting for me to get in XRP because then we will break this here. Let's look. Yes, you can see we will break here the negative structure and the price will go here, I think, more sideways. Yeah. The benefit is after sideways movement, we will break here the huge negative channel. Let's draw this here. So I make this in orange so that you can see this. Yeah. So you can see the walls, the big mafia, and call it what you want. They need this time from June to October, November, December. Yeah. This will, in my eyes, that months. So here is getting interesting. The end of the year, I think we could get here like every year. I make this in green. Let's look. I think the price could
go in the new year, something like that to the upside or more to 80 cent or 76. It depends how far the vaults manipulate the price, and then they could let the price here down. Look to the day, mid of 2023, go sideways, go down, and that is the right time to break out, because then we fulfill some conditions, and then the price will go here really hard to the upside. So for more, come in the memberships, then you see the end target. We're talking not about here 50 cent, $1. We're talking, let's say, numbers between two numbers and three numbers. Yeah. So that you can get these end targets in the Wolf Exclusive Club. The video is already online. Yeah, it depends on you. So I would say I finish here. So I would say many questions from your side. Okay, there's a discuss between two subscribers. I would say we finish here. I'm maybe tomorrow online or the day after. If you have questions, please write this in the comment field or use the memberships. Yeah, Wolf Exclusive Club. I uploaded already 20 videos. Yeah, the Wolf price target is okay, and you can use this. Um, There are here also in the chat subscribers, they have to request their Wolf price target. Which crypto? Please make this. Yeah, you pay for the membership, then you have to also request for the crypto. This is a service for you. Yeah, and use the Wolf Exclusive Club to get the videos that I already uploaded. Yeah, with the price target to 2025. You need the exact time in which you invest. So, and the end target is for you also important. So, I would say have a nice day, and more videos come for you for you. Have a nice day. See you later.